Hello and welcome to Mark's House and Garden UK. I'm Mark and I have a YouTube channel which gets over 2 million views a year, and I have 25,000 engaged subscribers, and I want to give those subscribers extra value, which is where you come in. If you are a provider of a product or service relating to house, garden, DIY or gardening, then I want to hear about your discount codes, your special offers, your product launches, and possibly even your end of line stock, so that I can share that information with my subscribers. Now, there are rules, and the first of those rules is that my subscribers, potentially your customers, have to come first. So it's not just about product bashing or product selling. So any discount code or special offer or product launch has to be of real value to my subscribers. It's got to be a real discount code. It's got to be significant. We're talking more than 30% off, and it's got to be exclusive to me and my subscribers. Now, I have in the past collaborated on videos, and I'm happy to talk to you about doing that, but I have to make you aware that there is an admin fee for creating a video. Anyway, if you like what you see and you want to get involved, then please do get in touch. There's an email address in the description box below this video, and I would love to hear from you to talk about whether or not we can collaborate for the benefit of my subscribers, you and me. Thanks for watching. Hope to hear from you very soon.